Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to this channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kung naka-resonate kayo. Okay, let's see, Libra. Ano yung energies to you this week? For Libra. Ooh, the Sun. Wow. You are full of energy this week, Libra. Marami kayong kailangang gawin this week, kaya kailangan nyo rin talagang maging malakas. The Sun is also about your confidence, no? So, ikaw ay very confident sa iyong sarili. You are shining. Maaring you are gaining a lot of attention as well. You also have think, which is Pallas Athena, no? To think. Maaring marami ka rin ngayong iniisip, no? About your career, about your relationship. You're very busy in creating something, no? Siguro you are full of creative ideas. Marami ka ngayong creative ideas. Kaya parang excited ka na gawin, maisakatuparan lahat ng ito. You also have retrograde, so this is about review, reassess. Maaring you have learned a lot from your past, Libra, kaya yung mga natutunan mo in the past, lalo na sa mga naging pagkakamali mo, ina-apply mo ngayon. So, syempre, mas wiser ka na ngayon and you know better. Okay? At pag I think meron kang decision making rin na gagawin this week. Maaring pinag-iisipan mong maigi kung anong pipiliin mo. 8th house, this can be your investments, business. Maaring nag-iisip ka for business. Let's see what else for Libra this week. Diba? 2 of Swords. Major decision making. And itong 2 of Swords kasi is asking you to use your instinct. Ano ba yung sinasabi ng kutob mo, ng iyong instinct, ng intuition mo? Yun yung sundin mo. Lalo na kung nahihirapan ka na talagang timbangin yung sitwasyon. You have the Queen of Coins and the Sun. Wow! Ang ganda, 2 beses yung Sun lumabas. Oo, talagang you are shining brightly. Lalo na sa trabaho, sa business, or sa career ninyo. Some of you, you are being recognized, no? Maraming nakakapansin sa trabaho mo, sa performance mo, sa career mo. I also see you na taking care of your kids. So parang kung yung iba sa inyo may mga anak na, no? Maaring meron kayong kailangang asikasuhin tungkol sa inyong mga anak ngayong week na to. Pwedeng bayarin, tuition, ganyan, or mga kailangang bayaran. But you're able to finance, provide for your loved ones, for your family. I also see awarding. So parang yung iba sa inyo baka may awarding kayong aatenan. A-awardan kayo sa trabaho dahil sa inyong loyalty or sa inyong performance. You have the Queen of Swords. The Fool. Oh, okay. Maaring isa rin sa pinag-iisipan mo ngayon, yung mga pagtitake ng risk. Kasi pwedeng magtitake ka ng risk when it comes to business or sa investments. Siyempre, lahat naman yan, talagang risky, no? Kumbaga, depende na lang sa'yo kung gaano kalakas yung loob mo. And I think malakas ang loob mo ngayon na pumasok sa isang bagay na naniniwala ka na kaya mong panindigan. Let's see what else. Some of you also, meron ditong freedom. So, pwedeng palalayain mo ang sarili mo sa isang sitwasyon na you are limited, no? Na parang feeling mo hindi ka nag-grow, hindi ka nag-i-improve. Knight of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo ma-involve kayo sa ano, sa chismis. Chismis issue sa trabaho or ah, sa nasasakupan ninyo sa community ninyo. So mag-ingat sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo, no? Kasi meron diyan naghihintay lang na magkamali ka. Tapos ayun. ah, yung pagkakamali na yon, pwedeng gamitin niya yon laban sa'yo. Be careful. You have the Hierophant, the King of Swords, and the Six of Wands. Wow! Alam nyo, kahit na anong gawin nitong mga kumakalaban sa inyo or mga taong against sa inyo, in the end, kayo pa rin ang panalo. Kasi marami kayong kakayanan eh. Kumbaga, kahit na i-bring down nila kayo, mahihirapan sila dahil you are someone who is in authority, who is lovable, who has a lot of talents, a lot of skill set, mga abilities na maraming taong nangangailangan sa inyo. So, hindi kayo pwede basta-bastang i-bring down ng ibang tao. So, you will always rise above any challenge. You have Saturn in Virgo in the 6th house. I see here a romantic connection. Pwedeng abroad or sa foreigner. Pwedeng if you are, yung, ang tawag nito, yung mga online apps, dating apps. Oo, kung single kayo, maaring mag-member kayo sa mga dating apps. And there's a possibility na makahanap ka dyan ng romantic partner that will appreciate you. Ayan. And some of you will also pay attention to your health then as well, ha? Libra. Kasi baka yung iba sa inyo ma-overwork, no? Dahil kung magiging busy kayo this week, mag-overwork kayo tapos baka magkasakit. Baka lang naman magkasakit. Yung iba sa inyo merong unexpected travel this week. So, pwedeng yan ay regalo sa'yo ng mahal mo sa buhay. So, very excited ka for this new experience. Baka magta-travel kayo sa locally lang naman to, local travels. Although, pwede rin namang international. You are the light. It is safe to step fully into your light. Yes. Some of you are light workers. Some of you, kayo ay pag tinitingala talaga. Someone, people look up to you. You have this leadership qualities, leadership abilities. Merong new pathway. So, consider whether you are happy on your current path. Oo. So, dun sa mga medyo hindi na masaya, at hindi na fulfilled sa inyong situation, whether this is relationship, career, business, maaring ito yung major decision na gagawin nyo kung ito ba ipagpapatuloy nyo or susubo kayo ng iba. But I feel like you will try new things, okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!